Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the call volume is too low on your Samsung phone. Before we get to it, make sure to hit that subscribe button to show your support. To start, make sure your phone's screen protector or case isn't blocking the phone speaker. If they are, consider removing them. While you're at it, make sure there's nothing blocking the microphone or speaker holes. If there's, clean it using a toothbrush. If the call volume does not improve, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down to go to Sounds and Vibration. Here, tap on Volume. In this menu, tap this three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then, select the Media Volume Limit. Now, enable this toggle and increase the volume limit to absolute maximum. After that, disable the Media Volume Limit feature. Now, open the phone app and call someone. While you are on a call, press the volume up button and increase the volume to maximum. If this does not help, go to the Settings app again. Now, scroll down to go to Sounds and Vibration. Here, tap on Sound Quality and Effects. In this menu, tap on Adapt Sound. Then, enable the toggle at the top. Now, select a profile based on your age. For me, it's this one. Then, tap the gear icon next to it. Here, set your preferred ear for calls and set the sound preference to clear. Now go ahead and restart your Samsung phone and check if the call volume is improved. If nothing works, your best option is to download this volume booster app from the Play Store. It will help you increase the call volume beyond the current capacity. Make sure you don't increase the volume level too much as it can damage the phone speaker. If you have any questions about this topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Glitch Guru for more tips like this.